My dear students of class 10, I am going to start chapter 1 real numbers exercise 1.4 NCERT book. Question number 2, write down the decimal expansions of those rational numbers in question number 1 above which have terminating decimal expansion. For the solution of this question, we have to write in decimal form of those rational number of question number 1 which have terminating decimal expansion. Since only question numbers 1 of 1, 2 of 1, 4th of 1, 5th, 6th of 1, 8th of 1, 9th of 1 have terminating decimal expansion. Therefore, first part of question number 1 can be written first part of question number 2. So, first part of question number 2 is 13 divided by 3125. For decimal form, we write P by Q is equal to 13 divided by 3125. This 3125 can be factorized by prime number 5. We write P by Q is equal to 13 divided by 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. This implies that P by Q equals to 13 divided by 5 to the power 5. To make the denominator power of 10, we multiply numerator and denominator by 2 to the power 5. This implies that P by Q is equal to 13 into 32 divided by 2 into 5 to the power 5. We use this formula a to the power n into b to the power n equals to a into b to the power n. This implies that P by Q is equal to 416 divided by 10 to the power 5. This implies that P by Q is equal to 416 divided by 1 lakh. Since there are 5 0 after 1, so decimal can be shifted from right to left 5 digits. Since 416 has only 3 digits in the numerator, therefore we produce 2 0 to make it 5 digits. So decimal form of question number 1 of 2 is equals to 0.00416. This is the answer of question number 1 of 2. Now question number 2 of 2, 17 by 8. We write P by Q is equal to 17 by 8. 8 can be factorized by prime number 2. So P by Q can be written 17 divided by 2 into 2 into 2. This implies that P by Q is equal to 17 divided by 2 to the power 3. To make the denominator power of 10, we multiply the numerator and denominator by 5 to the power 3. This implies that P by Q equals to 17 into 125 divided by 2 into 5 to the power 3. We use this formula a to the power n into b to the power n equals to a into b to the power n. This implies that P by Q equals to 2125 by 10 to the power 3. This is equal to 2125 by 1000. This equals to 2.125. Since there are 3 0 after 1, so decimal shifted from right to left 3 digits. So decimal should be between 2 and 1, and the decimal form is 2.125. This is the answer of question number 2 of 2. Since third part of question number 1 is not terminating decimal expansion, so we cannot write in decimal form. Now fourth part of 2, 15 divided by 1600. For the solution of this question, we write P by Q is equal to 15 divided by 1600. We factorize 1600 by prime numbers. This can be written P by Q is equal to 15 divided by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. This implies that P by Q equals to 15 divided by 2 to the power 6, 5 to the power 2. 2 repeated 6 times and 5 repeated 2 times. So P by Q is equal to 15 into 5 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 4. Here we see power of 2 is 6. So power of 5 must be 6. So to make it power of 6, we multiply 5 to the power 4 in the numerator and denominator. This implies that P by Q is equal to 15 into 625 divided by 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 6. This can be written 9375 divided by 2 into 5 to the power 6. This implies that P by Q is equal to 9375 divided by 10 to the power 6. So this is, there are 6 zeros after 1. So decimal should be 6 digits from right to left. It is shifted from right to left, but here we observe that there are 4 digits in the numerator. So to make it 6 digits, we produce 2 zeros and we write in decimal form, that is 0.009375. This is the answer of question number 4th part of 2. Since 5th part of question number 1 is not terminating decimal expansion, so we cannot write in decimal form. Now 6th part of 2, 23 divided by 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2. For the solution of this question, we write P by Q is equal to 23 divided by 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2. Now this can be written 23 into 5 divided by 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 1. To make the denominator 5 to the power 3, here power of 2 is 3. So we make power of 5 is also 3. So we write this value. Now this can be written 115 divided by 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3. This can be written 115 divided by 2 into 5 the whole to the power 3. This can be written 115 by 10 to the power 3. This can be written 115 by 1000. Since there are 3 zeros after 1, so decimal can be shifted from right to left 3 digits. So this can be written 0.115. This is answer of question number 6 part of 2. Since 7th part of question number 1 is not terminating decimal expansion, so we cannot write in decimal form. Now 8th part of question number 2, 6 by 15. Solution of this question is 6 by 15 equals to 3 into 2 divided by 3 into 5. 3 into 3 cancel. We get 2 by 5. To make the denominator 10, we multiply numerator and denominator by 2. 2 into 2 divided by 5 into 2. This can be written 4 by 10. This is equals to 0.4. This is the decimal form of question number 8 of 2. 9th part of question number 2, 35 divided by 50. For the solution of this question, we write 35 by 50 is equals to 5 into 7 divided by 5 into 10. This can be written 5 and 5 cancel, 7 by 10, and this equals to 0.7. This is the decimal form of question number 9th part of 2. Now question number 3. The following real numbers have decimal expansion as given below. In each case, decide whether they are rational or not. If they are rational and of the form P by Q, what can you say about the prime factors of Q? Question number 1, 43 decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Question number 2, 0.120, 1200, 1200, ... Question number 3, 43 decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, recurring from 1 to 9. Now for the solution of question number 1 of 3, we write 43 decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is terminating decimal expansion, so the given number is rational. Therefore, P by Q is equals to 43 decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. P by Q equals to, we write 1 for decimal and there are 9 digits after 1, we write 90. This can be written P by Q equals to 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 divided by 1 billion. Here Q is equal to 1 billion. This can be written 10 into 10 into 10, 9 times. This 10 can be written 2 into 5. This 10 is also written 2 into 5. So 2 into 5 is repeated 9 times. This equals to 2 to the power 9 into 5 to the power 9. Which is of the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, where m and n are non-negative integers. Second part of question number 3, 0.120, 1200, 1200, 1240, ... For the solution of this question, we write it is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal expansion, so the given number is not rational, that is irrational. Question number third part of 3, 43.123456789, recurring from 1 to 9. For the solution of this question, we write this is non-terminating repeating decimal expansion, so the given number is rational and its denominator is not of the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, where m and n are non-negative integers. This is the answer of question number third part of 3. This is the last question today. I will meet you next day with another set of questions. Thank you very much.